We're filming.
Rascal, 7-5-13. Sociability. Yes. So he did look at me. Yes. You probably can't get that on the video, but he's looking at me.
He is looking. He's looking right up at you. Oh, now he hears noises. Good job.
So he didn't look at me, but he turned his head towards me. Yes. That was nice. Yes. 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 I got it. You did it. Good boy. Yes. I want to get him before he barks. Yes. It's very hot in here. He's done, I think.
Well, we won't stay in here very long. You could teach him something new.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's teach him something new. Let's see what can we do. Come here. Come on. Let's do the touch. 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 So I started doing this last week, and he seems to be doing well. Maybe somebody else did it too.
Possible.
Touch. 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 Yes. Touch. Yes. Good boy. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. What do we want to do next? Sit. Down. Almost. Let's see. He's not paying attention to that. Down. I can't get it even. It'll stop soon. That's not gonna work. Okay. Sit. Good boy. Down.
Yay!
I was kind of not sure it was going to happen. Good boy. Sit. Down. Yes. Very good. Nice. He seems to be pretty smart. Come. Come. Touch. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Down. I think he's getting it. Good job. And he's in a settled position. Head down. Head down. He's kind of hanging out there. Good boy. Take it. Okay, that's really gross. It's cooler down here on the floor, isn't it? Wow, he's licking my hands. How nice. Thank you for cleaning me up. Okay, well, I'm clean. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Uh-huh. Sit. Good boy. Woo! I don't know what that's gonna look like. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Woohoo! Gonna get off me? Yeah, see what happens? Gag on it.